Good morning, travelers. Mark your calendars. For today, Tuesday, February 6th, we celebrate National Frozen Yogurt Day. As we delve into this week's travel tips, we cast a spotlight on a crucial aspect: travel insurance. Our tip for the day? We call it healthcare hiccups. Imagine this scenario. You fall ill in a remote location where the local hospital's idea of medical care borders on witchcraft and frog potions. Sounds daunting, doesn't it? But fear not, for your insurance will have your back. Seek out the security travel insurance provides and ensure your adventures remain memorable for the right reasons. For a plethora of travel-related content, venture to travelepicenter.ai. We promise to provide you with more than just the tip.